Hello student, welcome back to Krishna classes, and today I am going to tell about the Dalton's atomic theory and subatomic particle. So what is Dalton atomic theory? I also described in chapter 1 of the class 11th. So what is the Dalton's atomic theory in detail? You can watch my channel Krishna classes and subscribe my channel also for the continuous video. So what is the Dalton's atomic theory? Dalton is a scientist, British scientist, who has given a theory. According to this theory, atoms as the ultimate particle of matter. What is the atom? Atom as the ultimate particle of the matter. So atom is the building blocks of the matter, you know very well. I described in very detail in first chapter. So this theory, Dalton's atomic theory, as you know, given by John Dalton in 1808. I described a British school teacher. Dalton was a British school teacher. According to this, atom as the ultimate particle of matter. Also atom is the building blocks of the matter. So the word atom derived from the Greek word atomio. The word atom derived from the Greek word atomio. What is the meaning of atomio? The meaning of atomio is uncuttable. Uncuttable or non-divisible. Okay. So what is the meaning of atom? The meaning of atom is uncuttable or non-divisible. This is the meaning of atomio. Atomio is the Greek word. Atom derived from this Greek word atomio. Okay. So British school teacher named John Dalton has given a theory in 1808. That theory is named as Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. According to this theory, atom as the ultimate particle of the matter. Atom as the ultimate particle of the matter. Atom is the building blocks of the matter. Atom is the fundamental building blocks of the matter. So this is the Dalton's atomic theory, but sometimes this theory has failed to explain some experiment. When this theory has failed, on that time subatomic particle has discovered. Okay, when this theory has failed, on that time subatomic particle has discovered in 20th century. In 20th century, subatomic particle discovered. Okay, in 20th century. So what happened? When some experiment has occurred, then this theory has failed. Like experiment, what is the experiment? Like glass or ebonite. I repeat again, glass or ebonite when rubbed with silk. Glass or ebonite when rubbed with silk or fur generate electricity. You know na, fur generate electricity. And when glass or ebonite rubbed with silk, it also generate electricity. On this explanation, theory has failed. When on the time of this explanation, Dalton's theory has failed, then what happened? Then subatomic particle has discovered in 20th century. Okay, for the explanation of such type of experiment, like glass or ebonite rubbed with silk, then electricity produces, or fur generated electricity. Why? How? So for this type of experiment explanation, subatomic particles discovered, but John Dalton said atoms are non-divisible. What said? John Dalton said atoms are further non-divisible, but atoms are divisible in subparticles like electron, proton. Okay, so on that time this theory has failed, because this theory said atoms are non-divisible, but atoms are divisible in proton, electron and neutron in subparticle. Okay, so what is the electron? Now a scientist came on the field, Michael Faraday. Okay, so they start to discover the electron. Okay, so this is the discovery of electron and proton. Who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. Who discovered proton? Rutherford. So what is the explanation of electron and proton? How they discovered and who discovered that? I described in my next class. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand it very well. I described in very simple language what is the Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton is a British school teacher who has given a theory in 1808. This theory is known as the Dalton's atomic theory. According to this theory, atom as a ultimate particle of the matter. Our atom is the fundamental building blocks of the matter. Atoms derived from a Greek word. Atoms derived from a Greek word. The word is atomio. The word is Greek word is atomio, which is atom derived. So what is the meaning of atomio? Uncuttable or non-divisible. So sometime Dalton's atomic theory has failed to explain some experiment. What experiment? Example of such experiment like glass or ebonite when rubbed with silk or fur generate electricity. Then how and why this happened? Atomic theory, Dalton's atomic theory has failed to explain this type of experiment. So now that time subatomic particle has discovered in 20th century. So after that discovery of electron and proton came into effect and Michael Faraday start to discovery of electron, and after some time who discovered electron? J.J. Thomson. And who discovered proton? Rutherford. So for the knowledge of discovery of electron and proton, I will also discuss in very detail with experiment in my next class. Okay. So this is the today's topic. Hope you understand this topic in very well. Thank you so much for the watching. My name is Surbhi. Press the like button, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes. Thank you so much.